Hey folks, Dave Parrish here, and I got another video for you. This one's going to be quick. I'm going to jump right into it. I'm not even going to take a break. Search near a zip code. Again, usually these videos I just do with what's happened the last week or two. Something came up, and I've had a couple times clients didn't even realize this was an option. So I'm going to show you what the deal with it is. I'm just going to jump into one app here. Here's an app. What this company does is search people that want to join nonprofit boards. That's their clients. And when they're doing a profile of these people, they want to know where they live. And one of the questions is how far away from this nonprofit from where they live do they want to, consider, among other things. So this is how this came up. This is going to be really short. This is almost a reel or whatever they call them. I'm going to put this zip code in. Well, let me reset it. What you do is go to address, and one of the operators here or things you can do is near an address. And it has increments of 1, 5, whatever here. Now, I've seen with some custom code, these can be changed, because I did one in Chicago, and a mile didn't work. They wanted to search, it needs to be by block or something, and I had someone put in some code that changed these. But regardless, this is the default stuff. So let's go 1 mile. And this zip code I'm putting in here, let me go get one. It's Los Angeles. Let's just put it in here. There it is. We'll do 1 mile. And it resulted in 2. Let's do 5 miles. You see, it resulted in 47, so there's more. Let's do 25. So even more. So this thing's functioning, well. This works really well for my client. And then if you go to the back end or a table view, not a regular search thing, you can go to, let's go to address. And again, it'd be the same thing. It's going to offer you search by zip code. Now for this to happen, let's go to the pricing, Knack's pricing. What it's called is this maps and geolocation. Geolocation, the system knows where it is. You can see on the starter plan it's X'd out, you don't get it. Anything above that, you get this. And it's a nice thing to have. I'm going to look at another one here. What if it's an international address? I made a field here, international test, and it's going to be international. So it's slightly different, but I think it works the same. Let's just see. Let's go to records. Let's go to an international thing. I know we'll do the filter, international. And yep, it's going to, postal code is what they call it, I think on the international one, but it's going to operate the same. And one last thing, how this works. I exported this thing. How it knows how far away it is. Now look at this. We have address right here. It's the third thing. Address, multi-part deal. In my, the fields here in my base. But if I export this, you can see what happens. Let me call it up. What it's actually doing, here's address. See? But what it's actually doing, it's able to draw in the latitude and longitude. You see it right here. Let's make this bigger. Come on. So it's able, from whatever smart system it has, it gets the latitude and longitude. So it knows exactly where stuff is. And that's why I can do this radius thing. That's what I got. If this is useful to you, it's a nice feature. Thanks.